And the water's higher right here now. Look at that. Oh my God. It's getting higher and higher. It's almost to her step. Ah! Ants! Fucking ants are biting me. Ah! Fucking ants. Yeah. How the hell? I have no clue how that happened, but ants got on me. Okay. Let's go check out the front. And I got a tattoo today. Boom. Let's go check this out. Chicken, you better run, chicken. Run, chickens. Run, chickens. I know, you're scared. Holy crap. Dang. What? What are you doing in there? Get out of there. Well, Zach done got in the river. And ants are biting me. Let's see what this side looks like. Oh my God. This is so wild. Oh! So this is just where it's coming over. That's pretty much the middle. Oh wow. Huh? Oh wow. It's breaking the pavement.
It's coming up here, here somewhere. It's too hot right there. See right there coming up? Right there. Coming up right there. Hold on.
Did you hear about the interstate?
No, what about?
The interstate's breaking.
Yeah, that's up here. Are you still videoing?
Huh?
Who's out there?
That's the neighbor. That's that one guy.
Are you still videoing, dude?
Yeah.
So I know what to say.
Yeah.
You still video.
Look at all the...
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. That is so crazy. Look at that. All the way down is underwater. Hopefully everybody's being safe. Because this is wild as hell. I've never seen this in my life.